Hi, I'm Tamar, and welcome to Glendale's Look Ahead, covering city meetings and events scheduled for this coming week. A listing of these meetings with live air and replay times can be found on GTV6's website, glendale.tv, and on the bulletin board airing daily on Charter Channel 21. Please note that some of these meetings may be canceled or postponed after the original posting. To confirm, visit the city's website, ci.glendale.ca.us, or call the department responsible for that particular meeting. On Monday, September 9th, the Commission on the Status of Women will meet at 5:30 p.m. in City Council chambers. For more information, please call 818-548-2000. On Tuesday, September 10th, the Housing Authority will meet at 3 p.m., followed by a joint meeting of the City Council and Successor Agency. Immediately after will be a special meeting of the Successor Agency. That evening, the City Council will meet at 6 p.m. Tuesday's meetings will all take place in City Council chambers. For housing issues, please call 818-548-2060. For council business, please call 818-548-4844. On Wednesday, September 11th, all 9 of Glendale's fire stations will host commemorative ceremonies in honor of the men and women who lost their lives on September 11th, 2001. The brief ceremony will begin at 7:30 a.m. To find a fire station near you, please visit glendalefire.com. At 9:30 a.m., the planning hearing officer will meet in room 105 of the Municipal Services Building. For information, please call 818-548-2140. That evening, the Civil Service Commission will meet at 6 p.m. in City Council chambers. To learn more, please call 818-548-2110. Every Wednesday, the Glendale Police Department offers car seat installation program by appointment only. If you are interested in scheduling an inspection to help keep your young passengers safe, please call 818-548-3131. On Thursday, September 12th, the Design Review Board will meet at 5 p.m. in room 105 of the Municipal Services Building. For more information, please call 818-548-2140. From 5 to 7:30 p.m., Glendale Arts will host Rock Bottom Betty as part of their pop-up outdoor concert series. Join us at the Glendale City Center, 101 North Brand Boulevard, to enjoy a free outdoor concert. To learn more, please call 818-552-2787 or visit glendalearts.org. Also that evening, meet author Adam Kevorkian and learn about his first novel, Masis, a heartwarming tale of love, tragedy, humor, and greed, and the decisions one makes when few choices exist. The event will be held at the Central Library at 7 p.m. To learn more, please call 818-548-3288. Calling all artists, Friday, September 13th is a deadline to submit your work for the Glendale Youth Alliance Art Exhibit, which will be held on November 7th. Artists are invited to join in this event to mingle with local art patrons as well as artists, describe their work, and make contacts for potential future sales. A program book will be distributed to all event attendees that will include the artist's biography and picture and a description of the artist's work. Please visit glendaleyouthAlliance.org or call Tina Osborne at 818-548-2714 for more information. On Saturday, September 14th, join the Friends of the Library in raising money to support library programs and collections. The Loading Dock book sale will take place at the Central Library from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Come by and pick up great used books at a great low price. Also that morning, there will be a mobile technology class at the Central Library at 10 a.m. Discover how easy it is to use your mobile device to download ebooks, search the library catalog, and learn a new language. Bring your own device or borrow one of the library's iPads. To learn more, please call 818-548-6450. Stay connected with Glendale's exciting news and events by following My Glendale on Twitter, Facebook, and now Instagram. You can also sign up for the Glendale City Connection, our free monthly email newsletter to keep you in the know. Visit the city's website to learn more. That's it for this week's edition of Glendale's Look Ahead. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.